Alright, let's make a super quick and easy coffee sleeve that is reversible. It's super easy to make. Here's what you're gonna need. To get started, you're going to need to print out those templates, and then we're going to cut those out. Take out your fusible interfacing and then use the template to cut it out. Now cut out 2 outer pieces using the template. Now we're going to press our interfacing onto our fabric. So pick one of your panels and flip it over. We're going to feel the interfacing for the bumps and face that side with the glue face down on the wrong side of the fabric. And then flip that over and use your iron to press the fabric. Take the short ends and put them together with the right sides facing each other, and we're going to sew along that edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. You can clip this in place if you need to. Now we're going to do the same thing with our other outer panel piece. Put the short ends together, right sides facing each other, and sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance down that line. Now press both of your seams and then flip one of your pieces right side out and then tuck it inside of the other one. The right sides should both be facing each other. And then just mess with it until you get the edges to be lined up all the way around. When you have the edges all lined up, we're going to clip it all in place and then take it to our machine and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around. Now you're going to separate your fabrics so that the right sides are out, and you should have this tube shape. Now pick either side and roll the top under so it looks like this, and then pin that all the way around. Take the sides with the clips and tuck those under and through the tube, and just keep tucking and rolling until those edges of the seams line up nice and clean. One side of the fabric is now longer than the other, so we're going to take that and tuck it under until it matches up with the other fabric. We're going to clip that together and do the same thing with all the other clips all the way around our tube. When your edges all line up, go to your machine and sew a final top stitch all along that edge. Use an 1/8 inch seam allowance. And then when you're done with that, you are finished making your coffee sleeve, and I hope you go enjoy it.